What?
You know, twist the lines and just snap
Why
them.
don't you just take the air cleaner and the snout off? Give yourself some more room down there.
They put duct tape right there.
Because he can, if he wants to.
No, that's fine.
Because you just got to undo the lines.
And undo that bolt, which is going to probably be...
That's a 10. And then this will just come right out. This is right off.
Pop, pop.
Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. All right, so...
This one time in band can.
Oh, God.
That is like burned into America's collective memory.
Yes.
Even people that aren't into the like pop culture or the right age are still thinking that line.
Oh, yeah, they know that one. And so that's a 10.
Just double checking.
Ooh. Mr. Burns.
Around 10.
10?
13.
No, it's metric.
The whole car?
A lot of it.
And going back and forth like crazy.
I don't appreciate that.
You gotta get it on there first, buddy.
Hey, you know what? If you stop filming, just...
How about you give me the
A
damn
real
socket?
Cadillac is English measurements,
You see a socket.
aka standard, meaning correct, normal. American.
And I believe...
Everyone wants to be a cowboy and drive a Buick.
Grab an 11, sir.
I'm not listening to this communism. Don't you dare touch this fine piece of Americana with your nationalistic French tooling sets.
Oh, my God, Grant.
How many kilograms per nanoliter does this car get to the
Get to the pint.
centimeter?
Ooh, what do we get from the Ups man?
Legend brands?
No idea. I'll open that in a minute. Okay, so pop that off, Mr. Burns, and we will go from there. What do you got, sir?
Well, you know, like he told you. Gonna
Get
take the lines and stuff off. Got the
coupler loose.
Got the coupler loose. Got one line off. Kind of had a...
Fight it.
Actually, what it did was set it up where this was sitting something like this and took a little pry bar to...
Bink.
And it popped it loose just perfect.
Nice, we can get that off, and then we're gonna lift it up and get the box out.
Yep.
I need to get a seal for the steering box too. It's leaking down at the bottom. So all the pitman arms getting pulled, we can swap that.
I wonder if
You used to do those.
Advantage West will have something in stock.
Probably, because it's just a GM box. Oh, she's getting birth.
So,
Alright, so next step, up we go, huh?
let's see if this moves a little bit. Goddamn stupid wire. Stupid GM Ford.
Stupid wire.
Always in the way. Cool.
Yeah, that's
As long as
fine.
that moves.
Once you undo the bolt, it's gonna slide out the front
Yeah.
anyway, so. Alright, up we go. Going up. Ah!
Going down.
That's what she did.
Up.
For how many doggy biscuits?
Fine, bro. She just did it.
Dang.
What up, G?
Here, you got one bolt out.
One. The other ones are loose.
You're loose. You're loose.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, $20, $20. Now, we did notice that it is leaking on the pitman side, the seal on the box, the output shaft.
Yep.
So, we ordered a seal kit. It'll be here tonight, I think. Before I
Cool.
leave. So, work it, girl. You can get the actual socket on the next thing, buddy. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that donkey dick flopping around.
Whee!
Donkey.
Donkey!
Donkey dong! Bolts. Yucky scuzzy. Yucky scuzzy. Are you ready to pull out? Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Are you going to pull out the box right now?
Where?
You usually put it in the box. You don't usually pull out of the box. You don't pull out.
No. My girl's, she's tied.
Pull out game is weak.
Oh, my girl's tied, so I don't have to worry about it.
It doesn't matter. Your pull out game was weak anyway because you have 2 kids.
Hey, I chose to have those 2 kids, okay?
I know.
Well, got tricked on one, but that's besides.
Oh, that's because, you know.
But I wouldn't change the world for my fucking kids are wonderful. Okay.
Yes, they are.
Shh.
I hope she never watches this.
Oh, shit. I always tell Devin, you tell your friends I'm YouTube famous?
He's like, yeah.
No, not yet. Maybe I should. I'm like, oh, yeah, dude.
But yeah, anyway, it's been leaking down here, as you can see. Oops, I'm an idiot. I put my hand up on the light.
Womp womp.
All right, so let's pull this out. Come on.
Well,
Come
yeah,
on.
sure. Right away, boss man. Because you know how these go. Fucking rusty crusties.
Rusty Crusties. It's unbolted.
Yeah. It's stuck.
You're stuck. Are you doing that blind? You are doing that blind.
Just need it in between.
What if we let it down?
Oh, you probably pull it up, huh?
You pull it off and then you can yank it out that way, or you can just knock it off the thing and let it fall on the floor at this point. Because the pitman arm,
we got gaskets coming in for us.
pitman arm's going bye-bye, so it doesn't really matter. Pitman arm's got to come off to reseal it anyway. So we got to pull a pitman arm and then we got to wait for the seal kit. So,
Awesome.
and then that'll be done.
Awesome.
And then, you know what you could do is you could take all the steering goodies and we could start putting that together, because we've got to use the center link we need to reuse still.
Yeah,
So we got to bust
gotta
all that
clean
crap
shit
apart
off.
and clean it.
Did we get a new stabilizer shot?
Yeah,
Never mind.
it's right there.
I just saw it. Just saw it.
Special needs crayons.
I like the purple ones.
Tyler likes the red, he says, but that's what they fed him in the core.
I'm gonna smash you right now.
Don't smash me. Ooh, you want to smash?
No.
You want me on my stomach or my back? And with that, I'm gonna cut the video. Your box is loose. He usually doesn't like loose boxes. Oh, there it is. Let me see.
Biatch.
Take a picture. Be pretty with it. Ooh. All right. So now the pitman arm's gonna come off. We're gonna reseal it and we'll put it back in. Fun! While we wait for the seal kit though, Nick's next task. Dun, dun, dun.